Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so this is my sister Rome, and I'm Navy. So today you may see that we have some brand new fidgets. And aside, over here, we have my fidget collection and some of her fidgets in this big box of fidgets. And I have over 100 fidgets. So let's get on to the video opening all these 8 brand new fidgets. And yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, now we have these monkey noodles. Now,
Okay, and this scissors.
Wait. Okay, there was like a sticker. Do you want to play with that? Okay, now we're gonna open it. I have no idea how to open these monkey noodles.
Monkey noodles.
So,
Monkey noodles.
okay, 1 second.
Whoa.
Okay, 1 second. Okay,
I need my yellow.
so the colors are blue, orange, green, yellow, and pink. Okay, ready? For the stretch. Okay, Rome, this is my baby sister Rome. Did I say that already? Can't remember. Okay, so she's gonna play with these. Okay, so we're gonna set these aside. Okay, Rome, now we're gonna, so I opened this on my way back. So, I'm going to, I put them in a Ziploc bag. So, okay, wait, 1 second. Okay, so it's like, okay, so these are eyes. And it's this. And we have another one. And Rome, she loves these. Okay, sit down, Rome. You can play with this, okay? Okay, next is Glow Squish Young Jiggly Pals. And these ones glow in the dark. So let's see if I can open them. Okay. So comment down below if you know what the heck these are. Because I have no idea what these are. Okay, we're going to put these. Okay, I actually had a good idea. I'm going to put these back in the package. Okay.
Wow, eyes.
Look, eyes. Okay. All the trash goes over there. Okay, now we have another Squish Yum Jiggly Pals and the gummy feel.
Okay.
So they stretch.
Eye. And 4.
Okay. I know
So
for sure this one.
Up.
Let's see. If you guys can't see that. Let's see. Okay. I know this is a hippopotamus, I think. But I don't know what this is. Is it a squid? an octopus. No idea. Okay.
This Mickey Mouse. That's Mickey Mouse.
Well, come here. Wait, we have. Okay. Wait, Mom, you're supposed to come sit over here. Here, come sit over here. Okay, next up we have this. It's another one of these. It's another version of these eyeballs, except this one's snake, I think, or worm. I don't know.
Come sit by me. Come sit by me. Come sit by me.
Okay. The one that's calling in the back is my brother. Okay.
Hello.
Next up,
Hello.
tell them your name. I mean, tell them your name.
My name is Cash.
Okay, so next up we have this snake.
You roll?
Okay,
Yeah.
so
I know you roll.
That's the sliders.
wait.
No, that's
Okay,
a
Val.
fly.
Okay, let's see what's next.
What's
Okay,
this?
okay. Next we have the snake. I opened it a little bit.
I got that one.
Wait. Shh. Okay, ready?
I'll do it.
Wait. Okay. Next off, we have this
Yeah.
snake.
Oh.
Whoa. No. Okay. Oh, it's so sticky.
Hold on.
No, Cash, don't open those.
Okay, I won't open it yet.
Okay, so it's stretchy. Here, you can fill it, then give it to Cash, okay?
Okay.
I'll just be the holder, I guess.
Okay, give it to Cash.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, next up we have...
Ew.
Rum, you want to show them? No, we're not holding.
Yucky.
Look. It's your turn to... No, come here. It's your turn to show them your yo-yo. Okay. Rum's going my way. Okay, I'm just gonna... This is Rum's yo-yo. Comment down below if you think a yo-yo is a fidget.
I think it is.
Okay.
Ew.
Okay,
It's so sticky.
put it back in the thing.
What thing?
Yeah,
Ew.
it's over there.
I can't get
Okay.
it off my hand.
Whoa, gosh.
Wait,
Okay,
is that how you...
did you guys...
Oh, it just goes all the way back. That's cool.
Okay, ready? Oh! No, don't open it.
Okay.
It's this turn.
Oh, is this gonna be go last?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause.
Is that the coolest?
Yes.
No, let's keep it a surprise.
Okay. I think you guys already saw it.
Well, yeah, you probably guys already saw it. If you saw it, say what it was.
Oh, and also
comment.
comment below if you think mini brand, if you know what a mini brand is. Comment below if you think a mini brand is a fidget.
You mean comment down below?
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you said comment below.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Comment down below.
Okay, so I have no idea. It's Frizzle Gem.
It's
I
basically just.
I actually think Velm got this another time, but it was white. Do you remember that, Cash?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she got one that was white.
I can't.
She can't open it?
No.
It's the Real.
It's the final.
Which one?
The fly.
Where is it?
It's right here.
Can you give it to her? Why is she crying about not having it?
Because
she
that's the
wants-
last one.
Oh, well, let's just have her open it if it's hers. Here, can she open it on camera? Here, Romy.
Show it in the camera. Go up there.
Yeah, go like right here and show it right there. And say, yay. Here, I'll show you how to show it right here. Put it right there. Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Good
Dad.
job.
Dad, can you open this? It smells like lemons.
Okay, don't spill this.
won't.
Isn't there a thing on the side?
Wow.
Yeah, there's tape all on the side.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Why didn't you think there was tape on the side? This thing has a fat belly. Look how fat its belly is.
Okay, put it back.
It ate something.
Look.
That's ew. Ew, let me see. Can I try it? Is that a bee or a fly? That's a fly.
That's the bug.
Yeah, that's a bug.
Yeah.
Can I try? Ew. Ew.
Oh! Go put it on the camera.
Okay.
No.
That's
That's
you go.
so sticky.
Yeah, it's so yucky.
Yeah.
So caca.
Oh my gosh. 50 days later. Look at your fingers. I'm gonna have my dad. Dad had that. 50
I have to cut that out.
I know.
Okay, just carry on with the video.
Claw. Claw.
50 moments later.
Claw. Claw. Cyrus.
SpongeBob, you know that, right?
50 moments.
That's so
50 moments? That does not make sense. 50 moments. You did 50 moments before they're... Okay. Yep, see, that makes no sense at all. Ew! Stop.
No.
Stupid snake!
Okay.
I can't.
I got this open.
Let me smell. I want to smell lemon. It smells like lemon gum.
I know.
It tastes good. Well, no. She got it on the floor.
It's okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Take it off.
Rome.
Take it off. Ew.
Oh. Oh my gosh, my hand's yellow.
Ew, Rome, take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off, Rome.
Oh.
Ew. Ew. Okay. Whoa.
What?
I have no idea how to use a yo-yo. This is how I use yo-yos.
Here, look.
Is that how you use yo-yos?
Yo, guys,
Go-go's?
this is my hand.
Ew. Disgusting.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
They're colliding
Cass,
together.
I'm gonna carry on with the video. Show them my fidget. Cash,
What?
don't
Don't
take it
pull
away.
Okay. Just gotta take the snake out. That was easy.
Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay, I'll carry on. Wait, what do you want me to show you?
Show them my fidgets.
Oh. Okay.
Look,
That's my favorite yellow.
So you can move all this out of the... Hey. Okay, Rob, move, please. Okay. First of all, we got this. You can't see. If you can't see it, it's that.
Oh, okay, I'm back. Hi.
Okay.
Wait. Hi.
Okay. You guys can probably see this. This is a jumbo poppet.
Okay. So, this is my baby sister's room.
And we have another jumbo puppet.
Which is, this one's mine. I like it.
We have a tiny Rubik's Cube. Right there.
And we have this
This
octopus. Wait. Come here. Okay, we have this octopus puppet.
octopus
And then the other side
and the other side.
is
This.
this. Wait, well, is this this. Okay. Film. Wait. Okay, look. Come here. Hold it. Come hold it.
And
Okay.
we
Come here.
have
Say shark puppet.
Shark Puppet.
And we have this tiny pea puppet. Very good, indeed.
And
Kind of blurry there.
and then we have this yum coffee.
This donut.
Oh, and then we have this dinosaur stress ball.
And this yellow puppet. This yellow puppet.
Whose favorite color is yellow? So. And then we have this football squishy.
We have this rainbow running Among Us character.
Oh, this, and I'm pretty sure that like all of you guys know, this is a more little mesh. I'm pretty sure you guys all know.
This.
And we
Love
have the
fidget.
Rubik's Cube.
And next we have this rainbow Among Us puppet.
This.
And then we have this squeeze ball, which she took apart.
Because I don't like mesh balls. Because it's too hard to.
Then we have this Barbie clip-on puppet.
This what? Boo.
I said Barbie clip-on puppet.
Oh, and then we have all of these mancanos. Oh, and these ones aren't the new ones.
And we have my infinity cube. This one.
No, that's mine.
Is the black one mine?
No.
Yeah?
No, both of them are mine.
No, they aren't.
Yeah? Because Daddy traded me.
I told him not to. So one of these is mine.
No.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
You don't have fidgets anymore.
Yes, I do.
Okay, then move out of the way. And then we have this heart puppet. I'm going to get it to the left side. Okay,
Wait, are we putting all the fidgets that we have already shown in there?
so where?
In there?
Wait, have you showed the Among Us Simple Dimple?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have this. Listen carefully to see if you can hear the pop.
What is this doing in here?
The map.
I know.
Have you showed this Rubik's
Then
Cube?
we have. Yeah. Then
What
we
about-
have
What about
this
the simple
bike
digit?
machine.
Yeah, I did.
What did you call it?
The simple digit thing.
The
Whatever.
dimple digit. Okay, this is the dimple digit fidget spinner.
And then we have
And then
This
we have.
cute bear.
Wait, Cash, did you already show this simple dimple?
Oh yeah, that was the first thing that I showed.
And then we have. Oh, what's in there?
oh yeah, what is that?
And then we have this maze. I have no idea where the ball went.
Amy, I think your Jacob's bridge is broken.
No. It's not. Okay. And then we have Jacob's ladder.
Oh, Jacob's ladder.
And then we have this time liquid. Ah, frick.
Gosh. What? These were on the floor.
Bang.
Here you go. Okay.
Okay, and then we have this soccer ball, this pink soccer ball fidget spinner.
And then, watch out. And then we have this black infinity cube. I feel like it's metal, but it's just plastic. But love the color.
And we have this marble mesh.
I'm gonna show that. And then we have this other pea popper.
And then we have
these wacky tracks.
Then we have like
Here's
this.
the other one.
Then we have like this cloud or something. Is
No,
this
that's a zipper. That's a
Oh.
broken heart.
a broken heart?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have this broken slinky.
Hi, is that us? Is that the moving of our body?
Yeah. Okay, stop. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then you guys comment down below if you know what these are. I have no idea what these are, but I just got them in my fidget packs.
Textured balls.
Let me see. What are they?
The eyes.
They've already seen those. I'll
Oh.
put them back in the bag.
Okay.
And then we have this other wacky track. Wait, maybe can I do something real quick? No. Go put it back in the bag.
Okay. Give it to me. And then we have,
Do you know what that's called?
yeah, I know what it's called maybe. And then we have this
Another-
bike chain,
See, another bag chain.
another bike chain. This one's black instead of red. The last one was red. You guys not see?
And then we have these 4 different mochis.
And then we have this puzzle ball that also.
Wait, it got changed.
I know. That
Oh, you should
also.
change it.
Yeah. What? That you can wait. Just give it to me. That you can also spin.
And then we have this dinosaur egg. A dinosaur pops out. And a fun thing that I like to do is just make the dinosaur just stay out.
Then we have this orange and white snake.
And then we have this, like, I don't know what this is called. What's it called? You know what this is called, Cash?
What is what?
This. I think this is like a wacky track.
It's basically a Rocky track, but it's like different.
Yeah.
Hey, where's all the fidgets?
All right here. They're all right here.
Oh, are those
They've already seen that.
that you pulled out the ones that were still in?
No, that was them. Okay. And then we have,
Ow, my knee! That hurt.
all of these fidget spinners.
And we have this.
Oh.
World.
And then we have this
You
thingy.
can
And then
also
we have
squeeze.
another one of these. And then we have rock, paper, scissors.
Then we have this puzzle. To focus on there. Yes.
Okay.
And last but not least, my sister's unicorn squishy. There, it's dead. Ah.
Mom, you just got 2 new fidgets.
What?
You just got 2 new fidgets.
What?
You just got cash. Put it back.
Okay.
Just, we're gonna clean up really quick.
Dang.
You want to see the mochis, Cash?
No.
Oh, we should go try the eyeballs in the glow in the dark. In the dark.
Yeah, but the viewers cannot see that.
I know, so
So what are we gonna do?
it's okay. They don't need to.
Mom.
But aren't we still doing a video?
No, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well, then how do I turn it off?
It's okay, Daddy Will.
Did you just call him Daddy?
What?
You call him Daddy?
Dad will. It's okay, Daddy. It's fine if we call them Daddy.
I know. Just for some kids, when you get older, you call him Dad.
And then this is literally like probably one of my most favorite fidgets now. Because it's so sticky.
Say goodbye.
And that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.